Hello Noble Knitter, it's Nancy Queen, and today I'm going to show you how to knit the Cartridge Ridge Stitch. It's a really bouncy textured stitch pattern that only uses knit and purl stitches. So let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell to get notified every time I post. For this swatch, I'm using a skein of worsted weight yarn, a pair of size 8 bamboo knitting needles, a finishing needle, and a pair of small scissors. I'm going to start by making my slip knot and then casting on a total of 22 stitches for my swatch. Now I came up with that number because the Cartridge Ridge stitch uses a multiple of 5 stitches and then 2 edge stitches. So you can make anything using this combination, baby blankets, sweaters, scarves. You're just going to need to cast on a multiple of 5 plus 2 edge stitches. I'm using the long tail cast on method. It's my favorite go-to cast on for a nice sturdy edge. So if you would like to give it a try, check out this link above. After you've cast on, make sure you count the number of stitches on your needle before starting row 1. Okay, let's start row 1. We're going to knit the first 3 stitches and then purl the next stitch. Now we're going to start the repeat, and the repeat is knit 4, purl 1. We're just going to keep repeating knit 4, purl 1 across the row until we get to the last 3 stitches. Then we're going to knit into the last 3 stitches. Now we're on to row 2. Row 2, you're going to purl 2 stitches, then knit 3 stitches. So you'll just keep repeating this across. Purl 2, knit 3, until you get to the last 2 stitches. And now you'll purl into the last 2 stitches. You'll just keep repeating rows 1 and 2 until your swatch or project gets to the desired length, and you can see how beautiful the columns are and the stitches in between. Even the back is nice to look at. As always, I like to give you the written out version so you can see it. You're going to cast on a multiple of 5 stitches plus 2 edge stitches. Then for row 1, which is the right side, you'll knit 3, purl 1. Then begin the repeat of knit 4, purl 1, and repeat that across the row to the last 3 stitches. Knit into each of the last 3 stitches. For row 2, you're going to purl 2, knit 3, and repeat that across the row to the last 2 stitches and purl into the last 2 stitches. Repeat rows 1 and 2 until your swatch gets to the desired length. I create a new stitch pattern every Sunday, so be sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. To see the entire stitch library, check this link on the above left, and below it you'll see what YouTube recommends you watch next. I'll see you in the next video.